Some days remind you exactly why you chose this life. Days that feel slower, lighter, and full of the kind of moments you wish you could bottle. This week we spent the day chasing waterfalls, the kind you can actually swim in, and watching Stanley and Margot's laughter echo through the trees. We visited one of the most creative places we've ever seen, the Elephant PooPoo Paper Park, where they learned how something as simple as waste can be turned into art. And then we took a little trip down memory lane, back to a lake Hayley and I visited 5 years ago when she was pregnant with Stanley. Standing there again with both Stanley and Margot by our sides this time was a full circle moment we will never forget. This is what our journey is all about: family growth and finding joy in all the small things.
So today we are at Huay Keaw Waterfall, and when people think of Chiang Mai, they generally associate waterfalls, or the number one waterfall being the Sticky Waterfalls, which we intend to visit. But today, as part of the Worldschooling group run by Jessica Flowers, we're visiting Huay Keaw, and it is absolutely brilliant. I don't understand why this isn't higher rated when it comes to places to visit when you're in Chiang Mai. There are several different parts to the waterfall with numerous pools that you can swim in. Kids of all ages can play and enjoy the space. It's absolutely brilliant. And one thing I did want to just pay homage to is when I was looking up the waterfall and doing my research, the pronunciation Huay Keaw made me think of Newcastle, Huay the lads. So just a little hat tip to the Geordies out there. But yeah, this place is absolutely stunning. A fantastic place to visit. I highly recommend it. Come and check this out.
One hot day today.
Isn't it?
So we've come for a spot of breakfast at a place that Hayley found on her walk the other day, and it's a lovely little spot. And while we're sat here having porridge and banana, which I'll show you, we were just reflecting on our day at Huay Keaw yesterday, and it was absolutely brilliant. But Hayley just had a few thoughts she wanted to share, so I'm going to pass you over.
I'll give my perspective from Stanley and Margot's point of view. I believe they felt free, they could explore, they felt safe. We did a mix of climbing, a mix of swimming. We went looking for bugs. Stanley saw some tree roots that he was absolutely convinced was a snake. I had one of the best days that I've had in Chiang Mai, and that's probably because it's as close to what we'd have done back home, just going out, exploring, climbing, in water. It doesn't get much better than that. They were totally wild and free, and we loved it.
It really was a fantastic day out, and I'm looking forward to going back. It's about a 25-minute drive, so it's not far. It's the closest waterfall to the centre of Chiang Mai, so it's just under 10 kilometres out. So we'll definitely be going back again. It's a really, really great day. It's an all-day activity, and like Hayley said, just to be that close to nature, you know, these stunning, powerful waterfalls flowing through, but everyone playing and having fun and feeling really, really safe. Yeah, just a fantastic environment. We've come to explore the Elephant PooPoo Paper Park today. It's about 40 minutes outside of Chiang Mai, and the clue to what we're doing is in the title. This is an eco-friendly site dedicated to making paper out of the dung of primarily elephants, but they also make it out of cow poo and so on. It's quite a cool little setup here. Really looking forward to taking you along on the journey.
Can you touch the poo, yes or no? We're not gonna dig down like what type of bacteria they have. No, that a little too much. We just want to know why they look like this. Children love poo, yes. You like poo? We're gonna use poo, okay? This is like, yeah, you wanna make it at home. For me, the poo needs to be clean. But they become like a big sheet. The paper would kind of look like this at first. A ball. A paper ball.
So on the way back from the Elephant PooPoo Park, which, by the way, the naming of that place, I still can't get my head around. When I say Elephant PooPoo Park, I feel like a 6-year-old. But on the way back, we've decided to stop at Huay Thao Lake. And this is a really nice moment for me and Hayley, because we came here back in 2020 when Hayley was pregnant with Stanley, and we stumbled across this place. We were going out on the scooter one day and we stumbled across it, and we spent pretty much then the whole day here because it is absolutely stunning. We've got these incredible straw sculptures, but we're going to take you on a tour around the lake, and it is stunning. Wait till you see what we're about to share with you.
Every week brings a new adventure, a new lesson, and a new moment we will never forget. If you've ever dreamed of slowing down, travelling with your family, or simply want to live vicariously through those who do, you're in the right place. Subscribe and join us for inspiration, real stories, and a glimpse into what it truly means to live a life less ordinary.